Hi guys, welcome to our channel, ItsMyLifePhilippines. It's Tuesday night. We're here in our place. So it's the first day of festival here in Mabalacat. We're celebrating our place and right now have a got talent. So most of from another place go here for talent and they show their talent. And tomorrow have another also. It's Lakan and Mutya of Kamachiles or in our place. And then the third day is it's a variety show. So maybe if you want to go, come here. Let's go.
Wagas na pag-ibig ay di mapapago. Nang ganon kabilis sa isipan at sa puso ko ay di ka na maalis. Mag-isa pa lang hindi ko sumasabi. Tandaan sa'yo kanyang digoy. Ayaw ko na, suko na ako. Pagod na ang puso ko na ako'y nagkaroon na dating. Paano ba ito? Muling tumibig.
Natutuwang baliw, yaman ay pinagyapan, dahil ari niya raw ang araw at ilang buwan. Sa isip niyang ulit-ulit, may binatang panggayak, panay diamante at hilas. Oras maglubad, kulay ahas ang dala. Sinong nakila?
Sa lahat ng mga bata, tandaan nyo to, alam ko, pinapalo kayo ng mga magulang nyo, ng nanay nyo, tatay nyo, pinagagalitan kayo. Tandaan nyo to, ha?
What are you hoping for?
What is this, Shaira? What is this?
Street food. Street food. Yes.
You explain.
No, I don't like.
Shaira, you explain what you eat.
I eat crackers.
One, two, three.
Okay, sir, ayun po. Curious lang ako. Saan ang gagaling yung mga offbeat ng ginagawa? Saan ang gagaling yun? Mag-share ka naman kahit konti. Even si Kapitan, yung mga council, natutulala dahil yung ginawa mong performance. Saan ang gagaling yun?
Galing po siya dito sa may lalamunan.
Georgi, it's interesting for you.
Ang basics po na
I'm looking for girls.
Na bago
But so many girls here.
dito, bago matutunan.
Yes, many.
Ay yung BTK po. Yung ganito po, BTK. BTK. BTK.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Bata pa sa why?
are you ready?
Sa iyong
You know where I'm at, you know where I've been.
Cause it ain't a party to my groove and through.
Lahat sila sinasabi sa akin, May, ang tanga-tanga mo. Hanggang kailan ka magpapakatanga? Pero
Second time. Number one.
Okay, maraming.
Hi guys, we're here in our place. So we're having fun. I will ask Sir Georgie what he think or what he feel in what is this he watch right now. So Mr. Georgie,
Yes.
do you like it or not?
Más o menos, more or less.
Alright.
Something like, something not.
Okay. So
But we go to try pork stomach. Okay.
You never tried before? Not
Never tried before. You see? Pork stomach.
So also have famous in Facebook or and Twitter here. He performed to another country like in Dubai. This is the guy. This is the guy. Yes. So
You can interview him.
no, I'm shy.
I'm shy. You shy?
Yes, he's trying. So
You can try shy.
okay, let's go. Come. Hi Kuya. Hello. Yes.
Ano bang ano mo tayo? Ano bang
So this is what name?
Batang Pasaway?
It's Batang
His
Upasaway.
real name, Kenneth Bolano.
He performed in another country also.
Singapore, Hong Kong, Ocean Park.
I know. Shy been before.
Yes, I've been there already.
Oh.
His
What
favorite-
country do you? What country, sir?
I am Russian, but I
Oh,
live
Russian.
in Russia.
Okay. Your wife?
In the Philippines, yes. In
Okay.
the Philippines 10 years already.
So he's the
Thank you for also my friends very like how you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go, sir. I love Russia, boy.
So thank you. Ay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
So let's go.
Natin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel. And tomorrow we have another video from festival here in Mabalacat. Salamat.